Hi there, my name is Sydney on the Raquiza team.
And I'm Joe Raquiza.
And we are here to do a couple of frequently asked questions for you guys. So let's just jump right in. Joe, what can I expect my down payment to be?
That is loan program specific. So with the VA loan, that is zero down financing. With FHA, that requires 3.5% down. Our bank does have some grant programs that tie nicely into that makes that a zero down program as well. And then on that same theme, USDA, zero down financing, that is area specific. And then we have our conforming loans, which are 3 to 5% down, and in some cases people put 20% down to avoid mortgage insurance there. And then last but not least are our jumbo loans, loans that are above the conforming loan limit, and those loans are loan specific, and we'll go over that directly with you.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What about my monthly payment?
That's an important question, and first off, it's important that we get on the same page with your monthly payment so that we have the price point and your payment tied together. Your payment's going to consist of your principal and interest loan payment, your mortgage insurance in some cases, then it's the property taxes and the homeowner's insurance, and those combined make your monthly payment.
Awesome. What are funding fees?
Funding fees are specific to government loans. Those would be your VA, FHA, and USDA loan. The funding fee goes directly to those agencies, and those are fees that allow those agencies to self-fund themselves and give you that aggressive financing that they offer.
What can I expect the timeline for closing to be?
Typically, we want to close loans in 30 days or less. Our current team is closing loans in right around 3 weeks. But again, that's specific to your situation. In some cases, it can run a little longer. And if you tie into a grant program, that might take a little bit longer, but specifically or generally we're around 30 days.
What can I expect my out-of-pocket expenses to be?
That's a good question, especially on those that are looking to do 100% financing. Your out-of-pocket expenses are going to consist of your home inspection, which inspects the home for its deficiencies, things that you need to know about, the appraisal, and in some cases we can roll that in, but the appraiser comes out and they review the property for value in relationship to the sale price. And then of course there is your earnest money, which is realtor specific, but that's something that you have to put down on the contract to get it accepted from the seller.
Yeah, it's kind of like a good faith estimate, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna run my credit? And if so, what can I expect the ding on my credit to be?
I get that question a lot, and first off, we can not qualify you for any kind of home loan without running your credit. But if you've already had your credit pulled by another lender, us pulling it within the same 30-day time frame does not affect your credit score. If you haven't had it pulled by somebody and you want to know what's going to affect you if we pull it, it can be anywhere from 3 to 10 points. The better your credit, the less it affects it. The worse your credit, it can affect a little more, but no more than 10 points. And those are things we can solve for down the road.
What about my interest rate?
Interest rates are dependent upon the loan program and your credit, and our pricing is sharp and rarely beat.
What does it mean to be pre-approved?
So what we're going to do is we're going to review your credit, your income, and we're going to determine the price point that you can buy up to that qualifies for the loan program, and then you can go out and shop for a home up to that price point. So for example, if you're pre-approved for up to $200,000, you can buy a house for up to $200,000.
What if I'm approved for up to $400,000 and I find a house for only $200,000? Do I get a check for the remaining $200,000?
No, our lending only goes up to 100% in some cases, or a little less than that, of the sale price. So you're not going to get anything above the sale price.
Thanks, Joe. And thank you guys for spending some time with us while we went over these frequently asked questions. Of course, if there are questions that you have that weren't covered in this video, please reach out to us. We'd be happy to help.
And once again, thank you for the opportunity to earn your business.